I'll ask you to keep your tongue tight and shut in the
Don't
future
film
before you
me.
go shouting up about Johnny's you've not even met. On my honour, so I will.
Lipstick you're wearing, Mrs. Danvers?
Stop making a noise then.
It's not even funny, Tom.
Care about upstairs, downstairs, uptown, top right.
Of course I can.
But who will inherit this house? 660 millions. We should be able to pass it on to our oldest daughter, Mary.
Those words in this era, but there's nothing to be done.
Don't do it.
It's just a bit of silliness. Some poshes and I hate the word servants. Downstairs, friends. And then somehow it just happens. I imagine one big boom. There it is on my telly. Jolly good.
Stop making a noise.
I can't help it, can I? So my thing never stops.
It will stop. Just stop making a noise.
Miss Carter, the butler. Mrs. Danvers, the housekeeper.
Ma'am? Yes, it is a challenge to play the housekeeper. And actually, I was quite surprised to be cast in this role. You see, with this face, I mean...
I think you got enough
the viewers
footage now, thank
to see
you.
him as housekeeper, lady of the house, yes.
Tom, I think you got enough now, don't you?
Thomas, the evil footman. Oh, hello, gorgeous. Housemaid. Undermaid. Overmaid. Teasmaid. Milkmaid.
Lovely.
Homemaid.
Yes, it's me, the knitting character.
Made in China. She's not here at the moment, obviously. And finally, mermaid. Oh, and my man, Bates.
Didn't I know you from Lockpast to Cronchesterford?
Hi, Mum.
Same character.
I've had a little bit of a limp this time.
Dummy, stop it. Leave me alone. It's not funny.